Sarah in front of a very special tree, and we're going to learn a little bit about what you can do at home to calculate what kind of benefits the trees in your yard serve. Sarah, you want to tell us about it?
Yeah, this is a weeping cherry, and it was designated as a Lynchburg Heritage Tree back in 1997. So the Lynchburg Heritage Trees, they're the biggest, they're the oldest, they've survived the most, and you can go to lynchburgva.gov/heritage-trees to see which trees in your neighborhood are Lynchburg Heritage Trees. And this one, like I said, was designated as a heritage tree for being the biggest weeping cherry in the city of Lynchburg back in 1997. So we will see exactly what kind of water quality benefits, carbon sequestration benefits, and air quality benefits it provides.
What are you going to use to calculate all these things about this tree?
So there are a couple pieces of information that you need to know. So you need to know how big the tree is, and you need to know about how big around it is. So you can either measure the circumference or the diameter. And I've got this handy dandy little tool that tells me the diameter. But if you just want to measure how big around and get the circumference, that's a-okay.
Can I give it a hug?
Yes, you can give it a hug.
What is the tool that we're going to use to do this?
It's called My Tree, and it's from the iTree suite of tools, and it is going to tell us all the great benefits that this tree provides in this yard.
So Sarah, a lot of people have trees in the yards, but they're not sure what kind they have. What would you recommend them to do to figure out what kind of trees they have in their yard?
Well, I know not everybody is a forester or an arborist or a naturalist, but there are a lot of distinctive characteristics that can help you ID trees. The leaves, the twigs, the buds, the bark, the overall shape. But we're going to have some resources to help you guys identify your trees. The other thing you need to know besides the diameter or circumference is the general condition of the tree. So Nancy, what would you say the condition of this tree is? So it could either be, it goes from excellent all the way down to dead.
Well, it's definitely not dead.
It's definitely not dead.
But I do see a couple dead branches, so I don't know that it's in excellent condition.
So I think there is excellent, good, fair, poor,
I
and
would
then
say it's in good condition.
okay,
Would you agree?
we'll go with good condition. And then we need to know the general proximity to the house. So about how many feet from the house. If you know when your house was built, the tool will ask you when the house was built, and then the general direction from the house. So I happen to know that this tree is just about true north from that house behind us.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started working our way through the My Tree tool. We know this tree is in Lynchburg, so we'll enter that into our tool and keep going on. This is a heritage tree, but you can select any of these other categories if it looks like a better fit. Next, we want to put in what species of tree we have. We know this is a heritage weeping cherry, but you can use the resources we've included with this video to figure out what kind of tree you have if you're not sure.
Sarah and I determined this tree was in good condition, so we'll put that into the app too.
We've measured the diameter of this tree using Sarah's tool, so we know this tree is about 37 inches in diameter. Finally, we'll put in all the information about the tree's proximity to a building. After that, it'll calculate all the great benefits of this tree.
This heritage tree sequestered over 18 pounds of carbon dioxide and intercepted over 1,500 gallons of rainfall. We want to see what kind of impact your trees are having in your yard.
And when you're doing these activities at home, be sure to share them with us. We want to see what you're doing with our tree activities.
Happy Earth Week, everybody, and remember,
Every splash begins with one drop.
See you next time!